Question number 8. Using theorem 6.2. Prove that the line joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side. Given in triangle ABC, D and E is midpoint of AB and AC. To prove DE parallel to BC, prove AD equal to DB. Reason D is midpoint of AB. Therefore, equal number ratio is 1 by 1, means AD by DB is equal to 1 by 1. Equation number first. AE equal to EC. E is midpoint of AC. Therefore, AE by EC is equal to 1 by 1. Equation number 2. From first and second, right hand side equal. Therefore, left hand side equal. AD by DB is equal to second left hand side AE by AC. Triangle ABC's two sides are in proportional. Therefore, DE parallel to BC. Reason by converse of BPT.